Hello students, welcome to my channel. Hope you should have watched my earlier videos which completely covers the revision part of CBSE 10th. Now today you are going to learn about the chapter which is an important one for our day-to-day life. What about that? That is agriculture. In India, more than 75% of our population are engaged in agriculture occupation. So in connection with this alone, the chapter 4 carries. I have bifurcated this chapter into 3 episodes. Okay, first episode is about the cropping pattern in India and another one is types of farming carried on in India. So can we start now? Agriculture is an age-old economic activity in our country. Over these years, cultivation methods have changed significantly depending upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know-how, and socio-cultural practices. Farming varies from subsistence to commercial type. At present, in different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced. Number 1, primitive subsistence farming. Number 2, intensive subsistence farming. Number 3, commercial farming. Under primitive subsistence farming, even today the slash and burn agriculture is followed. Number 2, intensive subsistence, more areas of high population pressure on land, which gives a meaning more areas will be taken to satisfy the high population. Then commercial farming. Here in this part, plantation farming carried on, and to grow more plants, more modern high yield variety types of farming carried on in this area. So in India we follow 3 different types of farming system: primitive, intensive and commercial farming. This 3 types of farming system will be asked in the form of differentiate between. Here you have 2 types of differentiate between is given in the slide. Number 1 is differentiate between subsistence farming and commercial farming. Number 2 is primitive subsistence and intensive subsistence. In this part, primitive subsistence and subsistence farming both are same only. Okay, so we begin with the primitive subsistence. Primitive, the word itself gives it is an outdated method. It is practiced on small patches of lands, that is, farmers, those who have got small plot of land, they use this kind of farming activity. Farming depends on irrigation. Primitive tools are used, which gives a meaning outdated tools are used: hoe, dao and digging sticks. Production is very low because the land is very small. No costly fertilizers are used. Family members provide labor. They don't hire the members for the farming activities from outside. Only cereals and other food crops are grown in the primitive subsistence farming activity. When we move towards the commercial farming, it is practiced on a large scale. Commercial farming gives a meaning it is only done for the purpose of economy. Irrigation facilities are available in this farming. Modern technology is used. Production is high. Chemical fertilizers are used. Laborers are hired. Commercial crops are grown. So commercial crops in the sense tea, coffee, rubber, etc. When we move towards the intensive subsistence, this type of farming is practiced with the help of modern tools and modern inputs. Land productivity under this type of agriculture is high. This type of agriculture is practiced in northern plains. So in this way, 3 different types of farming activities will be asked in differentiate between part. Our nation is famous for physical diversities and plurality of cultures. These are also reflected in agricultural practices and cropping patterns in the country. Various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables and fruits, spices and condiments, etc. constitute some of the important crops grown in the country. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Kharif from the month of June to September. In northern states, rice, cotton, bajra, maize, jowar, tur are cultivated. On the other hand, in southern states, rice, maize, ragi, jowar and groundnut is cultivated. Next, Rabi from the month of October to March. Northern states they cultivate wheat, gram, rapeseeds and mustard barley. And southern states rice, maize, ragi, groundnut and jowar. On the other hand, the last one is Zaid. It is between April and June. Northern states they cultivate vegetables, fruits and fodder. Southern states rice, vegetables and fodder. So in this way, based on these three seasons, our cropping pattern will be carried on.
Dear students, to watch my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give your likes and pass your comments. Don't forget to press the bell button for the future notification. Bye.